How to split bills with Zelle. First of all, open the app and log into your account using your credentials. On the home screen, you will see two options, Send and Request. To split the bill, tap Request and then look for the split functionality inside that menu. Next, enter the total amount of the bill and select the contacts who need to contribute. Zelle will automatically divide the amount equally, but you can adjust it if some people need to pay more or less. After that, review the details and confirm. Zelle will send requests to all the selected contacts, making it easy for everyone to pay their share directly. Finally, you can check your activity feed to track the payments and ensure the bill is fully settled. This saves time and avoids the hassle of calculating and collecting money separately. Now you know how to split bills with Zelle. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more finance tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.